Hi guys, it's your girl CC here today, and in retrospect to everything that's been going on, I decided to air my opinions on the recent series of events. And some might take it well, some might not, but listen, we don't like medicine that's good for us, but we still take it, right? Listen, it's hard being a black person living in America. If you were born here, it's hard. Think about just being an immigrant living here, a black immigrant. It's even 3 times or 4 times harder or 10 times harder. Guys, we've seen what has happened to a lot of black men, a lot of black women, people that were born here. Okay? What do you think they'll do with us? Yes, we're standing for this Black Lives Matter movement, and I support it to the fullest 100%. But we have to be cognizant of what we're getting ourselves involved in. Peaceful protests, I'm all for that. The rioting, the looting, the arsoning, nah, not for that. So guys, if you were not born here, I'm speaking to my Jamaican people, my Caribbean people, my people all over. If you were not born here and your skin color looks anything like me or my blouse, I'm asking you, as soon as you see a protest turning out not to be a protest, take for yourself. Try not to be in the wrong place at the wrong time, because it might play out really, really, really bad against you. And yes, you're gonna have people, oh, if life in America is so bad for you black, why don't you come back home? A lot of people are gonna say that because they can't come here. For one, there are people who don't want to come here, but my reason for being here is that I have a purpose, and I'm gonna execute that purpose. I have plans and I'm working on those. I have dreams and I'm gonna live them out. And this is where I've been planted to do it, so I am gonna do it. So don't worry about me going back where I came from. That is why I'm warning you, and I'm imploring you to stay out of harm's way. Yes, you might be in the right place and you still get shot, but it's better. You stand a better chance, your family stand a better chance of petitioning for you and your death than if you're caught looting. And I know Jamaicans who are involved in looting. People who came here, not born here. People who immigrated here a few years ago, who are just taking advantage of the people's premises, taking out merchandise. Come on. What is it for? What is the purpose? I don't know your immigration status, but God forbid you have a green card. Do you know what that is? Huh? Do you know what that is? With everything that's going on, they might just send you back. That would have defeated the purpose of you coming here, or defeated the purpose, of whoever petitioned for you. And yes, you might have your blue book. Yay, kudos to you. They catch you, they still send you back. You weren't born here. Understand that being an American citizen and a green card holder, the only difference I see that you can travel the world with the passport without applying for a visa. That's the only difference. You come from Jamaica, them are going to send you back in them kitchen at certain things, if you're caught in certain illegal doings. So guys, I'm not saying not to protest, but be smart about what you're doing. You can't just be out there looting and getting yourself involved in riots, and you're fighting and you're doing all these things, and think about getting caught. Some of you have family members at home here in the States and at home there in Jamaica, depending on you. I'm not saying George Floyd's murder doesn't mean anything. It means everything to me, and I'm for the Black Lives Movement. But as I said, you cannot be stupid about these things. These law enforcement, like, they're out in full-fledged, like they're just out hunting blood. And you see the difference when a black person is detained from when a white person is detained. Oh, they'll give them pizza, they'll give them water. When they grab one of us and back away, face on the ground, neck in our throat. Come on. You can't be this stupid about it. You can't be. Huh? You're looting sneakers, you're looting merchandise. It's not even food. It's not even like we can say, boy, you were hungry, so you were trying to get something. And that still doesn't make it right. What are you going to do with sneakers, huh? 10 pairs of sneakers, trying to sell them back to get 100% profit for something that you did not even buy? Come on, man. We have to be smart about this. And I hate to see when my fellow Jamaicans come here and waste time. Huh? I'm tired of reading the news and listening to the news. Oh, 100 Jamaicans were deported last Thursday. 20 more to be deported. I hate it. Because as bad as things are, they don't just grab you and send you back. No. They have valid reasons. A lot of you are caught in caught doing unscrupulous things. And that is why they send you back. Don't be that one. Think about it. Think about your family. Think about your son, your daughter, your mother, your sister, whoever you have to think. Think about it. It's embarrassing. It is embarrassing. You know, it's embarrassing to see you came to the land of opportunities. And yes, it really is a land of opportunity, because some opportunities that I've got here, trust me, I've never gotten them in Jamaica. I've never gotten them. So while life is hard here, you can still make it here. And especially in my city, it will either make you or break you. And I've made up my mind. I will not let it break me. And if I can educate you guys to not allow it to break you, then I will. Think twice before you get yourself involved in those protests. Think twice. The peaceful ones, fine. Go be a part of it. Be a citizen. Do what you have to do to let them understand that we feel pain. We're hurt. We're angry. But we're doing it the right way. When you loot and you start to riot, you have failed us all. You failed the movement. You failed everything that we're standing up for, because everything that you're doing is not. It's separate and apart from what we are doing over here. Guys, open up your eyes. Green card holders, American citizens that have been naturalized, remember, you were not born here. It takes nothing for them to send you back. You came here for a reason. Please, fulfill that reason. Fulfill that reason. Do not disappoint the rest of us, getting caught stealing sneakers, sunglasses, jewelry, liquor. No, dog. It's not that serious. It really not that serious. It really not that serious. It's distasteful. It's repugnant. I can't stand it. Listen, my disdain for these things, potent. Guys, just stop. And that's my advice to you.